Do you want a fruit that makes you run, play all day and have more fun? Shiny eyes, a happy tummy too. It's mango magic just for you. On a sunny day so bright and sweet, Daisy Duckling tapped her feet. She saw a tree so tall and grand, with golden treasures in its hand. Mangoes, mangoes, she began to sing, the juicy fruit of summer's king. On go mango, yellow delight, healthy, yummy, every bite. For a happy tummy, shiny eyes, eat a mango, you'll feel wise. Mango gives you power too, for running fast on little feet. It keeps you jumping all the day and laughing in the summer heat. In mango's heart, oh can you see, life's vitamin A and C. A for eyes so big and bright, C to fight colds day and night. In mango's heart our works like cheer, keeps your heart so strong each year. No lazy days, no feeling blue, mango love is good for you. It helps your brain grow smart and quick, like solving every tricky trick. School feels fun, your mind's at play, thanks to mango every day. Come along and clap with me, let's dance around the mango tree. Take a bite, spin round and cheer, mango magic's here each year. Mango, mango, yellow delight, healthy, yummy, every bite. For a happy tummy, shiny eyes, eat a mango, you'll feel wise. Thank you mango, fruit so grand, the sweetest gift in all the land.